this is the last day of our cooking class. Hello! Good afternoon. Konti pa lang kaming dumarating here. Almost 1:30 p.m. na. We're going to cook jjajangmyeon in 달걀국. So while waiting, kailangan muna namin hugasan ito. Then, balatan itong shrimp and squid. Dali lang. Tinatanggal na ni... Ano tawag dyan? Balat? Balat, no?
Balat ng
tinatanggal na ni Sophia ng balat. Yung squid.
Hindi ko ma-judge ako nito kasi hindi ko.
Ayan. Okay lang yan. We are still learning.
Ako naman is babalakan ko yung squid.
So beautiful. Yan, I'm done na sa pagbabalat ng shrimp. Next naman natin is this one. I have to clean this kasi medyo may lupa-lupa pa siya. Gusto naman si Pia ang pagbabalat. Ayan. Hindi pala madali magbalat ng squid. Ang hirap tanggalin ng dark na part.
Ito lang po yung kailangan. Ito lang yung kailangan. Ito hindi na po.
Balatan ko natin ito. Ano? Medyo naluwa ka ng konti pero hindi rin. Done.
This one just jjajangmyeon. Jjajang meaning the sauce, myeon meaning noodle. Like this. Okay. So, next cross and the stretch it.
And I'm done slicing the shrimp and the squid and the pork. Masasabi mo, pali-pali. And see, Ate Jane is making the jjajang sauce. Yan. I'm done now with my slicing duty. So, pwede na ka mag-video. And this is the cooked jjajang. And Sophia, hi, she made the egg soup. Wow. Hi, Jane. Ka naman?
Naiyak na.
Naiyak na? Oh, ang dami kasi sibuyas. Hi! Ang bango. I can smell it. So now I'm gonna slice this cucumber for garnish. I'm done maghiwa ng cucumber.
So guys.
And Sophia now doing the plating. Lagi kami nagmamadali kaya kaming team pali-pali. Yan. Sobrang focus na focus ngayon si Sophia sa pagpa-plating. Wow, with punas effect pa yan. Ano niya gagawin? Oh. Pinaghirapan ko yung cucumber na yan. Cucumber? Cucumber? Cucumber. Cucumber. Ah, sorry na. Ah. Nice. So, ito yung ginawa ng aming teacher. And this is what our group cooked for today. Wow!
맛있어요.
맛있어.
You put 1.5, 1.5
Sugar?
You put all the sauce. Mix all, then mix up.
Congrats! Congrats! Happy? Happy yan? Team Pali-Pali! Team Pali-Pali! Team Pali-Pali! Tingin tayo dito sa video. Ay, hindi, video muna. Yay! This is our last day. Congrats everyone.
Pali-pali!
Pali-Pali! Team Pali-Pali! Mag-ano na kami? Babalot na kami ng iuwi namin. Maghahatid kami po tayo ngayon. Siyempre, favorite part every end of cooking class yung may take-out kami. Kaya, kanya-kanyang klase kasi. Kaya, pagkain na naman ulit sa bahay. Charot. Parang walang pagkain sa bahay. So, this is my take-out. Tinatamad na akong kumuha ng tinidor para tumikit. Kasi dadagdagan na ng hugatan.
Din, 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 din. Oh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, wow, wow.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, wow. And this is our prize for being one of the best group for this term. Wow. Wow.